Close your eyes. Picture this. The sun shining. A gentle breeze glistens across your skin. The sound of birds chirping. Doesn't that make you just feel instantly better? Hi everyone, I'm Joshua, and welcome to the Zenfinity Podcast and your Motivation in Minutes. There's a reason you felt good picturing that image in your mind. Today, we will talk about some of the key benefits of being in nature. First, the mental health benefits. Studies have shown that spending time outdoors can significantly reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. When you're outside, your brain gets a break from the constant stimuli of screens and city life. The natural environment promotes relaxation and a sense of calm. Even a short walk in the park can lift your mood and improve your overall mental well-being. Next, your physical health. Outdoor activities, whether it's hiking, biking, or just walking, provide excellent exercise. Regular physical activity helps to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, strengthens your immune system, and improves cardiovascular health. Plus, being outdoors means you're likely getting some much-needed vitamin D from the sun, which is essential for bone health and immune function. But the benefits don't stop there. Nature also boosts your creativity and cognitive function. When you're surrounded by nature's beauty, your mind can wander freely, leading to increased creativity and problem-solving skills. This is why you often hear about writers, artists, and others drawing inspiration from the great outdoors. Let's not forget the social benefits. Spending time outdoors is a great way to connect with friends and family. Whether it's a picnic, a group hike, or a camping trip, these activities foster stronger relationships and create lasting memories. Plus, outdoor play is crucial for children's development, helping them build confidence, learn social skills, and develop a love for nature. Finally, being in nature helps you develop a deeper appreciation for the environment. When you spend time outdoors, you become more aware of the beauty and the intricacies of the natural world. This often leads to greater commitment to conservation and environmental stewardship, ensuring that a future generation can enjoy these benefits as well. The benefits of the outdoors are numerous and wide-ranging, from improving mental and physical health to fostering creativity and social connections. Nature truly is a wonder. I hope this episode inspires you to step outside and enjoy all the amazing benefits that nature has to offer. I want to thank you for listening to the Zenfinity Podcast. Don't forget to like us, follow us, share us with others, and as usual, keep listening for more of your Motivation in Minutes.